Hey, what's going on, guys? Jeremy or JLR Games here, and today this is JLR on the air, where today we're going to be talking about something I found out while I was at school, because I happened to go on Bing for current events and stuff like that. That, as I have a picture of him, Jim, the Anvil NeidHart, or yeah, NeidHart, had passed away at the age of 63 today. Uh, it came as a shock to everyone that he knew. I wish I had more to say on it other than because I looked around for videos. I thought they would have some kind of tribute video, but I guess they're still in the works on that one if they're going to do one. NeidHart was part of as I'm going to show you here, the Hart Foundation with Bret the Hitman Hart, which was managed by Jimmy Hart. And that's what I knew them from. That's what I knew most of anything he did. Because I liked a lot of old school wrestling, like Stone Cold, and like Stone Cold Steve Austin was my favorite wrestler, and that was most of what I watched. I knew who Jimmy Hart was more than Bret Hart and NeidHart, but yeah, and I recently found out at the same time that Natalia, who is right there on your screen, is his daughter. So sorry for your loss to her out there and the whole Hart family. I know this is a big loss for a legend. Because that's what he was. He was great. But I wish I had videos to kind of put in through. But I'm also trying my best to, kind of like cut back. Because I wanted to upload this video today. So the editing, there might not be a lot of editing to it, but I don't know. Sorry, pardon me. But yeah, well, I wish everyone and his family that everything's going good, and sorry for your loss, and hope to see everyone in the next video. Take care.